In the pre-pandemic times, Makla Jagriti's learning centers used to be vibrant spaces filled with children's laughter, children doing activities, experimenting, and most importantly, learning together. With the pandemic striking and the subsequent lockdown, the children and the communities we work with were very badly affected. There was loss of livelihood and they were unable to access basic necessities even. Makla Jagriti rose to the occasion and supported more than 5,000 families with basic essentials and also supported more than 10,000 families with awareness campaigns. But amidst all this, what we realized was that the worst affected were the children. They were suddenly confined to their homes, there was a complete disruption in their routine, and most importantly, their emotional well-being was affected. We realized we had to do something about it. With schools, Anganwadis, our centers all shut, the only way we could reach them was through their parents.
Working with parents has always been important for Makla Jagriti, considering the amount of time children are spending at their home. In the pre-pandemic scenario, we did monthly parents meeting, workshops and home visits to engage with the parents. Basically, we were more focused on the parents' self-development, how to strengthen their bond with their children, how to support their children's development, basically how they can play their role more effectively. When the pandemic struck, everything was shut and we need to come up with innovative methods of reaching out to the parents, and we are faced with a lot of challenges. Lack of access to the parents, the digital divide, and the parents, they themselves have lost their livelihood. Most importantly, the lack of awareness and knowledge why it is important to engage with their children. We need to quickly come up with innovative ways to address all these challenges.
Having realized the key role the parents were going to play in this lockdown, the team started brainstorming on how to reach them, and the ideas that came were many. We soon realized that there was no one single channel to reach the parents. It had to be a multimodal approach, a combination of online and offline means.
How Makla Jagriti believed the importance of engaging with the parents. I'm going to be just emphasizing a little more on that. So there is a lot of fear for parents who don't know how to really engage with the children, especially when it comes to education. So through this program, we also help parents to learn a lot about knowing about children and their stages of development and what are the needs in the different stages that they need to acquire as children, how parents can become supportive of that. Overall, this whole program focuses on how a parent comes in and then goes out with a renewed energy of thinking by knowing oneself and by knowing certain aspects of how to be a better parent.
We realized the parent's role was now going to be amplified. The parent had to be a teacher, a facilitator, a friend, a parent, all rolled into one. Overnight, parents' WhatsApp groups were created, tons of videos started getting made, phone calls started being made, and workbooks started getting created. This is how our Learning Under Lockdown initiative started across all our programs. Today, WhatsApp messages are sent on parents' WhatsApp groups along with videos, voice notes for parents who cannot read. Not only this, every day there are follow-up calls made to parents, there are weekly parents' meetings happening to ensure that children, parents are meaningfully engaged through this period.
English SUN.
టీచర్ వాళ్ళు హోంవర్క్ పెట్టినారప్పా.
సరే డాడీ, యావదో చెప్పు నేను రాస్తా.
ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷು ಅಂಡ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ రెండు పెట్టినారు.
ಅಂಗನವಾಡಿಗಳನ್ನ ಮುಚ್ಚಿದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಬೇಜಾರಾಯಿತು. ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಜಾಗೃತಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ನ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಆಕಾರಗಳಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಣ್ಣಗಳಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕಳೆದ 6 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಲ್ತಿದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇಗ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಷಾ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ದೈಹಿಕ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅವರ ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಸ್ಥಿತಿನೂ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಸಹ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಕಲ್ತು ಅವ್ರ ಮನೇಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಜ್ಜಂಗೂ ಕಲಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಜ್ಜಿಗೂ ಕಲಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಅಕ್ಕಂದಿರಿಗೂ ಕಲಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಬೆಳಗಿಂದ ಸಂಜೆ ಗಂಟ ಈ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೇ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಇದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಿಂಗಳ ಅಂಗನವಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಇವಾಗ ಬಂದು ಜೂಮ್ ಕಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಮದರ್ಸ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
As the initiative saw success with increased parents' participation, we were invited by the Department of Women and Child Development to partner at state level. So today our initiative is happening across Karnataka by the name Maniyaliye Uda Maniyaliye Pata, which means learning at home, and also food is teaching directly at home. Not just this, we were invited by various blocks by the Education Department to partner for the Vidyagama program.
When we came at the situation of pandemic, this work what got instilled in Makla Jagrati way back in 2003 has really given us a bigger scope for Makla Jagrati to be engaging with parents in a larger and impactful way.
It's really heartwarming to see all stakeholders coming together, the parents, the teachers, the Anganwadi teachers, the department and organizations like us to ensure that the children continue learning. I'm also very happy that in these times Makla Jagrati has proved to be a resilient organization. The team has shown a lot of positive spirit, grit, innovation, adaptability in these times, and I think a lot of our learnings from these times are here to stay, be it leveraging technology, enhanced role of the parents, or working more close collaboration with other NGOs, with other partners, or with the department.
ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಊಟದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂತೀರಾ?
ನಾಯಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೂಗುತ್ ಮಗ? ಬೆಕ್ಕು